How to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. If any day you would like to read your Facebook Messenger messages without being seen on the very messenger, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you launch the Messenger application on your very mobile device, now what you can do is you can tap on the very person like this. After you tap on the very person like this, now what you can do is you can just go to the option of restrict like this. Now after you tap on the option of the restrict and restrict the very person on the very messenger, it what will happen is that the very person will not know even though the view video or even you view the very messages on the very messenger application. But if you do it to any of the person that's not available in messenger, it may not happen. Therefore you have to find a person that is in the messenger and you have to go like this, and then you have to restrict the person. In order to restrict the person, what you can do is you can go to the option of I there and you can just restrict the person. And you have to tap on the option of I like this, and after you restrict it, the very person will not know even though you have learned or even though you have seen the very messages. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.